I'm excited about this property. Now let me tell you why. 10155 Collins Avenue, suite number 1608. The 101 Luxury Condominiums, located in the heart of Bal Harbour, Florida, just across the street from the world-famous Shops of Bal Harbour. Here are the details. Just underwent major renovation. 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 2,600 square feet. Maintenance $1,990 a month. Faces north with beautiful ocean and Bal Harbour Bay views. Flooring, white glass 32 by 36 inches throughout. Quartz countertops, electric window treatments, valet parking. Washer, dryer, LED lighting, custom doors and hinges, freestanding tub in master bathroom with rainwater and LED lighting. This apartment has it all. Remember, deals are not found. Deals are made. Well, that's what a good agent does. He brings his clients wonderful properties and negotiates them into fantastic deals. If you or someone you know is looking to buy, sell, rent, or lease property, call me. Call me today. The name is Weinschneider, Leon Weinschneider, 007, licensed to sell, the most trusted real estate agent in South Florida. 305-812-1090. 305-812